Automotive lighting is truly one of our modern forms of personal expression. One of the first things anyone will notice about a vehicle are its various lighting components. So what does it take to create one of these works of art? Each of our products goes through an extensive design, manufacturing, and inspection process. Let's take a few minutes to see what goes into creating each and every one of our lights. A 3D scan model is then created to ensure fit and finish that meets OEM quality. Features such as LEDs or daytime running lights are added to the 3D model. CNC machines are next used to create new molds that will be used to produce the new light housings and lenses. This process is commonly referred to as rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping drastically reduces the amount of time it takes to create first-run prototypes. Once these prototypes are confirmed, we can now move into full lighting production. Lenses are now created using the finalized production molds. OEM specification plastics are introduced into the molds and then allowed to harden into the final product. After being given time to cool, the lenses are removed, the mold surfaces are cleaned, and the process starts all over again. Once the lenses have been removed from the machine, every lens is inspected for physical flaws. They are then cleaned and placed into anti-static bags for protection to wait until final assembly. This is a two-stage 360-degree air dryer. It allows for parts to be loaded or unloaded while another batch of parts rests in the machine. After paint and UV coatings are applied, the components are placed in the 360-degree air dryer to properly cure and wait for final assembly. Every circuit board is produced in-house to ensure quality. Various stations have been created for each person's specialized task. Next, these machines are used to precisely assemble the circuit boards. The circuit boards are shown here being pressed together and individually serial numbered. Once numbered, this machine organizes and transports the boards for assembly. Resistors, diodes, LEDs, and other circuitry components are installed at remarkable speed. As you can see, this machine is currently assembling 20 circuit boards at once. Hundreds of boards are produced in just a couple of hours, with an entire production run of boards typically being created in a single day. Once all of those tiny components have found their final home, they are permanently attached using this machine. Once assembled, every circuit board is inspected by hand for any abnormalities before moving into the final assembly. This machine is then used to precisely apply the correct amount of sealant. The lens is then installed onto the housing, and two negative dies are used to hold the components in place with the precise amount of pressure to ensure a correct assembly. Once assembled, the lights go through a final inspection process to ensure every lighting component is working correctly. And there we have it, a fully assembled light, ready to be packaged and eventually shipped to its new owner.